Hey, how you guys doing? Just wanted to post a short video. I'm not sure exactly all that I'm going to say on this video, but listen, I just wanted to reach out to some of the folks who, may have some questions about what I do as far as the gold and cryptocurrency space. You see that I've been traveling, been to South Africa and to Vegas and touched a few places in Africa also. Um, but what's happening is that there are two major forces taking place in the world. I'm not a financial analyst. Most of you guys know, I've been in marketing and health and stuff for a number of years. But there are two major financial forces that are, or titanic forces I call them, that are taking place, that are converging. And one is there's a move globally towards gold, having gold as the standard or the backing for currencies, for national currencies and folks just wanting to have as much gold in their possession in case of any collapse in the economy and any major crisis that happens. When that usually happens, gold increases in prices and it forms a hedge against possible losses. So, private individuals, banks, and countries are buying up gold all around the world. And then the second major force or second major event that is taking place is that there's a worldwide acceptance of cryptocurrency as a valid form of payment. So, you have the emergence of Bitcoin and you have the emergence of Ethereum and other currencies that people are willing to accept as a form of payment for transactions. So the worldwide acceptance and comfort level is increasing in regards to cryptocurrencies. And then you have this move towards gold as a hedge against inflation, as an asset that can increase in value, and to protect in cases of times of emergency and national crisis. So you have these two movements taking place and they're converging together. So what's happening is that the company that I've been with since 2011, they have been able to merge both worlds together. A very strong gold platform and gold history the company has, and they've been able to merge that with cryptocurrency that are actually backed by physical gold. So you have a situation where a gold company has now adjusted and adapted to this new technology called cryptocurrency, which is basically a new way of doing business, transacting, allowing people to do transactions seamlessly without middlemen throughout the world. So it's a new form of electronic currency, to put it in that term. So it's nothing to be scared about, but it's actually the future of money. You remember when having a credit card and a debit card was a big deal. People didn't trust that whole system, and now it's commonplace. I personally travel all over the United States in many cases without any cash on me, or very little cash on me. We've become very comfortable using our debit cards and our credit cards. So cryptocurrencies eventually are going to replace or take up a large portion of that market that is currently utilized by debit and credit cards. So we're heading to somewhat of a cashless society. That might be a bad omen, that might be something good. We don't know, but that's the direction the world is heading. And cryptocurrencies are going to play a part in that. Now, from a business standpoint, you can either be a person who gets in front of this wave and you're able to profit from this whole movement that's coming, or you can just be somebody who just has to adapt to it when it comes. Those who are able to align themselves with companies and organizations that are in the forefront of any major economic change in our world, these are the folks who in turn become very wealthy, do very well, and profit from any major change that happens in our world. Just like how we adopted to using the fax machine, and then we adopted to using the cell phone and debit and credit cards. Those people who invested, who were a part in the initial introduction of these new technologies into our world, they are the multimillionaires of today. So I'm not saying you're going to be a multimillionaire, but we have an opportunity with this company that I'm associated with to be in the forefront of this convergence of gold and cryptocurrency. So I'm sharing this with you guys. There's a lot of love that I'm sharing in the sense that, many of you, I care for you, and I'd like to see you happy and prosperous. And we have a real opportunity with what I'm doing to achieve that. So if you'd like some more information, just hit me up. I am instant messages. Those of you who have my phone number, you can give me a call, and I'll share with you some information on what this company is doing. You're going to take a look at it. It may or may not be for you, but it's the future. This is what's coming, and we have a great opportunity to get in front of this wave. All right, peace out.